Despair as Ocean View residents' lives go up in flames. At least 8 homes have been destroyed in fires that have been raging in the Deep South.
Where the houses is, there is the people they make clean before it comes to the houses. But here by us, we live into the forest. So where must we run to? Who can help us? No one. We must help ourselves.
As winds changed, fires raced towards properties, engulfing felt along the way. Residents and firefighters banded together in an attempt to stay the inferno. But it was in vain, as they lost control and homes continued to burn. As firefighters battled the blaze, residents continued to evacuate late into the afternoon.